Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you guys on how to go about installing the chrome deletes for the front grille and for the side door chrome as well. And a link for the product will be down in the description below. With that being said, let's get started with the video. So before starting the installation, we just want to make sure we clean the chrome from any dirt or any contaminants that it may have. To start off the installation, we're going to start off with installing the inner pieces first. So with this one, you want to grab the long piece, and this piece is going to go right inside here. So start by aligning it right in the middle where it cuts off on the chrome between the two sections. Okay, once you start covering the chrome, just keep going. Make sure as you're tagging it down, you're aligning it to the edge of the chrome here. Move the film to your position and make sure when you're lifting the film to be careful not to tear it. Next thing to do is just tack it down. So we're going to squeegee it. So just tack everything down. If you see that the film is lifting like on the curves here, just apply heat and it should start sitting. Okay, so the next piece is this bottom piece here. So same as we did on the top one, we're just going to align it right where the cutout is for the grille. So right in the middle. So it's going to be a little tricky because the license frame is in the way. But just adjust it and tack it down. Aligning it. And just like that. And just start tacking down. Okay, and it should sit flush, and if you need to add heat to secure it, you can. And now we move on to the next piece, which is this one here. So that one's gonna go aligned here, just to cover up to where the edge is here. So just align it right onto the edge. And then from here, align it. Make sure you get most of the chrome covered in the inside. So what I like to do is just tuck it in first and then start aligning it and then start squeegeeing. So make sure you tuck it in like that. And just continue to lift and squeegee. This one's more trickier because it does curve inside. Just applying heat on the edges here. That way the film starts tacking down. Let it cool off and start tacking down. And just like that, you remove all the fingers that you had here. Just applying heat and tacking down little by little. And then same here. So align it right to the edge here to cover the chrome. And then just go covering the chrome. And then the rest, we're just gonna heat it up and start squeegeeing it down. And now we finish it off with this piece here. So same thing, just align it. Make sure you're covering the chrome on the inside. And like that. And just continue on installing the rest. And it should sit like that. And then this, we just squeegee down, lift this piece. Last thing is just tacking this piece down. So just go with the curve and then start tacking it down. And then if you need to apply heat to remove any fingers that might come up. Heat just helps the film be more stretchable. So then we're able to place it more easier. And that's it. That's how this one looks. It's all done. And now we're just heating all around. So once you finish installing the whole piece, the last thing to do is just heat all around. That way we secure the film And any edges that are lifting, we just seal them off. Okay, so before starting the installation for the door trim as well, we're just going to clean the chrome. That way there's no contaminants. So with this one, once we clean it, just align it to the edge. Like any other Chrome Delete installation, make sure you go based on the alignment on the bottom. That way you can use it as a guide or a reference on how to go about installing the chrome. And you are gonna have excess material. That one you could either trim or tuck in. So once you install it, just start squeegeeing it down. And then with your blade, just trim off the excess material. And now same thing with this one. Just tack it down, align it, and then once you get to the end, trim off the excess material. And then for this last piece, it's just easy to just install it, align it on top, make sure you're covering the chrome, and then just go on how the chrome is, and then just start squeegeeing everything down. Make sure you're covering all the chrome, and then start trimming off any excess material that you don't need. So make sure you find the edge, and then trim off. And any other excess material that you don't need as well here, you can start trimming off. So the last thing to do once we finish installing the chrome deletes is just pulse heat all around. That way we secure the decal to the window trim. Okay, so that concludes the video of how to go about installing the chrome deletes for the front grille and for the doors as well. For the doors, it's more simple. Everything's just aligning it and tacking down. For the front grille, it's a different thing. You just need to make sure you move the decal around to the position it needs to be. And then from there, just continue on installing the rest. And then afterwards, you're done installing everything. Just post heat to secure the decal onto the frame that you install it on. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.